Hey guys, right now I will be doing number 2 on problem set number 8 for AP Physics 1. Now, number 2 is asking us to find the coefficient of friction, and we will be referring to the same diagram that is used in problem number 1. First, we know that from our friction equation, the force of friction is equal to the coefficient of friction times normal force. And therefore, we know that the coefficient of friction is equal to the frictional force divided by normal force. I'm going to draw the diagram now. And there is a frictional force acting in the left direction. And there is a force F acting on the object. Now, since we know the frictional force, we want to find the normal force. The normal force is equal to the net downwards force the object has on the ground. So as a result, we want to find all the forces acting upon the object that pertain in the vertical direction. Right off the bat, we know that there is a gravitational force downwards, which is equal to mass times the gravitational acceleration. That's the downwards force caused by gravity. And we also know there is an upwards force caused by this force F acting upon the object, and we can label this upwards force y. Using trigonometric equations, we know that the sine of the angle is equal to y over F. And from there, we know that the upwards y force is equal to F times sine of the angle. So we know that there is an upwards force acting upon the object and a downwards force acting upon the object, so the net downwards force that the object has on the ground is the gravitational force minus F times sine of the angle. Now, since this is the net downwards force, we know that it is equal to normal force. So now we know that our coefficient of friction is equal to the frictional force divided by normal force, which is equal to mg minus F times sine of the angle. And so we know that the answer is number 4.